Hello guys, JB here. This is gonna be the summary of the trades called in the VIP live stream in the Price Action Club this morning. This is the first one. This is gold. And right here we have a very clear structure. Alright? There is a very clear support and a very clear resistance, right? This is the resistance, this is the support. We can see how the price went up, created this bullish engulfing bar, which is another trade that we called last night. The price just went up, right? With this candle, with this power candle, right, with lots of liquidity and momentum, that was the signal for us to believe that the price was just gonna keep falling. But before doing that, the price was gonna create a corrective move, right? This was the impulsive move, and then the next impulsive move, right? So we have these candlesticks right here, and those candlesticks were showing us how this was the beginning of this corrective move before the price falls, right? So we open this position right here, stops right there for a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, stops below the low of the previous candles. And this is how the trade played out, all right? However, we didn't open this position because it didn't get activated by just a little bit, all right? So in reality, it was something like this. Let's go back in time and let's take a look at how it behaved. So that was our trade, and in reality, it played like this. It came all the way down, and then it went straight up to our TP, all right? That's how it played out. However, it didn't get activated by just a little bit. This is the first trade that we called this morning. The next trade was this one in gold as well, after we have the confirmation that we were expecting to get, all right? So we knew that this was going to happen, right? Impulsive move, correction, and then a confirmation to the next impulsive move, which is this bearish engulfing bar, rejecting the resistance and rejecting the 21 moving average, all right, in direction of this breakout to the downside. So we open this position with the stops above the high of the engulfing bar and take profit 2-to-1. So the price needed to retrace all the way up to get activated. Alright, so now let's take a look here and see how the trade performed. This was right before the news, so we didn't open that position, alright? Just because of the news. We didn't want to hit our stop loss because of the news. So we didn't open that position. Alright, we didn't open that position. However, this is how it played out. Right, it got activated here, and then the price just came down to our TP. If it wasn't by the news, we would have taken that trade as well. Alright, so we have also this trade in GU. Okay, this was a very clear breakout to the upside with this bullish candle. This is a sensitivity area and level, and after this breakout we had a correction and then this bullish engulfing bar right there rejecting this sensitivity area. So we opened our position at 50% of that bullish engulfing bar, stops below the low of the candle, and take profit 2-to-1. Alright, so we were expecting a breakout, rejection of the broken level, and then the next impulsive move. Alright, that's what we were expecting for. However, the trade didn't play out as expected. Alright, the play didn't play out, and in reality, let's take a look here and let's see what happened. So this was a losing trade in reality. Alright, the price just came down, hitting our stop loss. Alright, as you can see there, it hit our stop loss. So that was a losing trade. The next one was in GBPUSD. As you can see there, it was a pretty alike scenario, right? Very clear resistance. There was another level right there. Clean breakout to the upside, correction, and then rejection from the broken level. So we opened our position right there, stops below the low of the previous candles, and take profit 2-to-1 to take this movement to the upside. However, the trade didn't play out. All right, this is how it happened. In reality, the price also touched our stop loss, as you can see there. All right, so that was another losing trade. So we had 2 losing trades, 2 winning trades, but every winning trade is a 4%, and every losing trade is a 2% down. All right, that's the importance of having a clear risk to reward ratio. All right? Every time if you are going to make double of what you're risking, you can even lose 50% of your trades and still you can grow your account. All right? Very consistently. So make sure that you have a good risk to reward ratio every time that you open a position. And this is the last trade that we called in the VAP live stream this morning. All right, so let's take a look at why we opened this position. Right here we have an impulsive move to the upside, a correction, and then we can see how this head and shoulders pattern is formed, right, respecting this neckline. Can you see that? In the 30-minute time frame, the NCD USD. All right, and then we have this breakout of the neckline and then a rejection with this bearish engulfing bar of the broken level. Okay, so we open our position at 50% of that engulfing bar or pin bar as well, stops above it and take profit. That's actually 4 to 1. Okay, so this is our last trade of the day, and now it is in profits, right? So we're just expecting the price to keep falling. Maybe it's going to create some type of structure like this one before reaching our TP. But this is the last trade that we called this morning in the VIP live stream. So join the price action club and you will be taking all of these trades with us and you will be learning from all of these analysis in real time. And by the way, all of those trades are taken in a live account, right? This is a live account, as you can see here. This is our CTrader, my CTrader terminal. This is the New Zealand dollar trade. I opened a couple of positions. I'm risking 3% of my account in those two positions. All right, so 2 in the first one, 1% in the next one, and all of the trades that we take here are in a live account. All right.